Need a quick blender for smoothies and everyday drinks? In this video, I'm reviewing the 5 best personal blenders, comparing blending power, portability, ease of cleaning, and overall value to help you choose the right one for your kitchen. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Nutribullet Personal Blender, Shakes, Smoothies, Food Prep, and Frozen Blending, 24 ounces, 600 watt, dark gray, NBR 0601WM. The Nutribullet Personal Blender 600W is a simple, compact option for anyone who mainly wants to make smoothies, protein shakes, and smaller blended drinks without taking up much counter space. Its 24-ounce cup is a practical size for a single serving, making it especially convenient for busy mornings or post-workout drinks. One of the biggest advantages is its straightforward design. You don't have a complicated control panel or a long list of settings to figure out. Just add your ingredients, blend, and you're ready to go. The compact size also makes it easier to store in smaller kitchens or apartments. The 600-watt motor is suitable for everyday blending tasks, including many fruits, vegetables, and frozen ingredients. It's a good fit for someone who wants a personal blender rather than a large countertop machine for family-sized batches. The main limitation is capacity. The 24-ounce cup is designed primarily for individual servings, so it isn't the best choice if you're regularly making large batches for several people. Overall, the Nutribullet is best for students, commuters, fitness-focused users, and anyone who wants a simple personal blender for smoothies and shakes without a bulky countertop setup. Number 2. Ninja Nutri-Plus Personal Blender, 900 PW, 3, 20-ounce cups, silver, BN301. The Ninja Nutri-Plus Personal Blender is a strong choice if you want a personal blender with a little more power and multiple cups for everyday use. Its 900-watt motor gives it more power than the Nutribullet, which can be helpful when you're blending tougher ingredients or frozen foods. One of its biggest advantages is that it comes with 3 20-ounce cups, so you have multiple containers available for different drinks or for preparing several servings without immediately washing the same cup. The personal-sized design is also convenient for smoothies, protein shakes, and quick breakfast drinks. Instead of transferring your smoothie into another container, you can blend directly in the cup and take it with you. The main trade-off is that the 20-ounce cups are smaller than the Nutribullet's 24-ounce container. So if you prefer larger individual smoothies, the Nutribullet may be more convenient. Overall, the Ninja Nutri-Plus is best for busy households, fitness users, and smoothie drinkers who want a stronger motor and multiple personal cups for quick everyday blending. Number 3. Magic Bullet Personal Blender for Shakes, Smoothies, Food Prep, and Frozen Blending, 22 ounces, 250 watt, silver, MBR 1101. The Magic Bullet Personal Blender is a compact choice for people who want a simple blender for everyday shakes, smoothies, and small food prep tasks. Its 22-ounce cup is a convenient size for individual drinks, especially if you usually make one serving at a time. The biggest advantage here is simplicity. With a 250-watt motor, it's designed more for basic blending than heavy-duty kitchen work. It's easy to keep on the counter, and its small footprint makes it especially useful in apartments, dorm rooms, or kitchens where storage space is limited. It's a good match for soft fruits, simple smoothies, protein shakes, and other everyday blending jobs. If you don't need a powerful motor or lots of settings, the straightforward design can actually be a benefit. The main limitation is the 250-watt motor. If you regularly blend large amounts of frozen ingredients, tough vegetables, or very thick mixtures, you'll likely want a more powerful option. Overall, the Magic Bullet is best for students, apartment dwellers, and casual smoothie drinkers who want an inexpensive, compact blender for basic personal-sized drinks. Number 4. KOIOS Smoothie Blender Kitchen, 900W Personal Blenders with 3 to-go cups. The KOIOS 900W Personal Blender is a good option if you want more blending power while still keeping the setup compact. Its 900-watt motor gives it considerably more power than entry-level personal blenders, making it better suited to smoothies, frozen ingredients, and thicker drinks. One of its biggest advantages is the inclusion of 3 to-go cups, which gives you flexibility when preparing multiple drinks. That's especially convenient for households where more than one person makes smoothies or for anyone who likes to prepare drinks ahead of time. The personal blender format also keeps things simple. You can blend a drink and take it with you rather than transferring it into a separate travel container. The main thing to consider is that personal blenders still aren't designed for large family-sized batches. If you're regularly preparing several servings at once, a full-size blender would make more sense. Overall, the KOIOS is best for smoothie fans, fitness users, busy households, and anyone who wants stronger blending power with multiple cups for convenient everyday use. Number 5. Conchiat 11-piece blender for kitchen and personal size, 900 peak watts. The Conchiat 11-piece blender is worth considering if you want a more versatile setup rather than a basic single-cup personal blender. With an 11-piece configuration and up to 900 peak watts, it gives you more flexibility for different blending and food preparation tasks. The combination of a powerful motor and multiple accessories can be useful if you make smoothies regularly but also want to handle other kitchen jobs without buying several separate appliances. It's a practical option for people who like having different containers available depending on what they're preparing. The personal size format can also make everyday smoothies and shakes more convenient. The main thing to keep in mind is that more accessories can also mean more parts to clean and store. If you only make one smoothie every morning, a simpler personal blender may be easier to live with. Overall, the Conchiat is best for home cooks and smoothie enthusiasts who want a versatile personal blending system with multiple pieces rather than a basic one-cup blender. Those are my picks for the 5 best personal blenders. Whether you're making smoothies, protein shakes, or quick drinks, there's an option here for your needs and budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.